There's two cats on the porch. This one belongs here. And I have no clue who the heck this guy is. He just comes out of nowhere. He's an orange stripy cat. Tiger looking cat. He whines like a little baby. Get away from me. I don't want you touching me. Get away. Do these two know each other? All he do is meow. Yeah, you Rusty. That's your new name, Rusty. Go, Rusty. Get away. Like somebody beat you up. Get away. Your name is Rusty. Yeah. Yeah, you disgusting. Get away. Ew. Ew. Sorry, I can't feed you. Don't know who you are. The other one under the chair. But not under, but on the side of it. What, Rusty? You ain't getting no cat food. Eh. He say he want to be on camera. Do I know you? Speak! Speak! Get back. He's a zombie cat. Ew. Ew. You got cuts all over you. Ew. Ew. Get back. Yeah. Don't get any closer. Stay right there. What the heck happened to you? I say stay. Stay. You little nasty cat. Yeah. What you looking for? Huh? You not getting any food? You might as well kill your bug back where you came from. uh. Wow. Can somebody please tell me who this cat for? 'Cause I have no clue who it's for. I'm just gonna be sitting here recording it. Hey, you. You. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. I'm speaking to you. You stay right there. This one like, you better get the F off my porch. Look how normal this cat is. And look how disgusting he is. He got cuts all over his face. That's not how a darn normal cat's supposed to look. You ugly, disgusting creature. Ugh, you disgust me. And this one is just innocent and quiet. Just in his chilling zone. She don't give a crap about nobody. As for this one, all he do is just come by and eat up food all day. He's a dirty little ugly cat. Yeah. What do you have to say about this video? Fluffy gray looking cat. Say one word. And what do you have to say, Rusty? You stay right there. I don't know who the heck this cat is, but Tell me what you think about this cat. And this is the end of this video. Comment, rate, subscribe. I'm just playing. But tell me what you think about this cat. Is he ugly, cute, precious, whatever? You give me the name. Alright, that's the end of the video. And for this cat, you tell me what you think about this cat. Alright. I'm out. Peace.